In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for character creation, a step-by-step guide. First, clear old memory bias so your new character doesn't inherit traits from past chats. Head to the bottom left corner, click your profile picture, open settings, then personalization, and select manage memories. Take a moment to review what's stored there and remove any lingering character names, traits, or unrelated story threads. This quick reset helps the AI generate fresh, original concepts instead of echoing earlier ideas. If you see anything you want to keep for later, jot it down elsewhere before you clear it. Next, pick the right model for the stage you're in. At the top of the chat window, open the model selector. Choose the instant tier when you want fast brainstorming. Big name lists, quick physical descriptors, or broad species archetypes. Switch to the thinking tier when it's time for creative depth, psychological flaws, moral dilemmas, interlocking backstory loops, and distinctive speech patterns. Many writers start with instant to explore options, then move to thinking to refine the best ones. Now prime the system with a character blueprint prompt instead of a vague request. Hold Shift plus Enter to craft a clean multi-line prompt, then use act as an elite fiction novelist, master scriptwriter, and character psychologist. I want to build a compelling character for insert your story genre/setting here. Before you generate any profiles, ask me 3 highly targeted questions one by one about the character's primary role in the plot, the story's core conflict, and the overall narrative tone so we can tailor this persona perfectly. When the questions arrive, answer them one at a time, specifically and succinctly. Once the AI has your story variables, open your character design canvas. Type canvas construct, a formal character creation matrix based on our data. Organize the sections into a clean table displaying character dimension, e.g., core motivation, psychological flaw, secret burden, signature quirk, detailed narrative description, and potential plot triggers. Your screen will split with chat on the left and an interactive editor on the right, giving you a tidy side-by-side workspace. From here, tweak personality traits in line. Highlight any row or sentence in the canvas, click the small comment bubble, and write a targeted instruction, such as rewrite this psychological flaw to make it much more subtle. Show how their fear of vulnerability makes them rely on sarcastic humor during tense situations. Only that block updates, and the rest of the profile stays synced. Finally, lock your style and export. Highlight the character's speech rules, click the comment bubble, and type, save this specific vocal cadence to your active memory ledger for this thread. Then use the Canvas header to export, download your brief as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF ready for your manuscript folder.